Hi, this is a video tutorial on how to do activity-based costing ABC and the predetermined overhead application rate, which is POAR. So here are the questions. Henry Factory manufacture and sell custom-made machine used in packaging. Its job costing system was designed using an activity-based costing approach. Direct material and direct labor costs are accumulated separately along with information concerning three manufacturer overhead cost drivers. Assume that the direct labor rate is $25 per hour and that there were no beginning inventory. The following information was available for 2015 based on an expected production level of 500,000 units for the year. So here are the table for the budgeted costs. And the following production costs and activity occur during the month of June. So the requirement for this question are, in part A, you need to find the total manufacturing cost and the cost per unit using ABC approach. In part B, assume that Henry Factory apply manufacturing overhead on a direct labor hour basis, and you need to find the same thing as part 1 but using POAR. So here's the solution on doing activity-based costing. Step 1. In order to find the total manufacture overhead, first we need to find the cost for the material handling, which is the number of part used, 50,000 times with the cost allocation rate, 30 cents per part, and you'll get the total of 15,000. The second one, which is the milling and grinding, you just need to take the machine hour times with the cost allocation rate, which is $12 per machine hour, and you'll get the amount that you need. For the third one, which is assembly and inspection, just need the times the direct labor hour with the cost allocation rate, $10 per hour, and you'll get the amount that you need. So total up all the material handling costs, mining and grinding costs, and the assembly and inspection costs, the total manufacture overhead will give you 2,235,000, which is shown here. So step 2. In order to find the cost per unit, you will need to find the direct material first, which you can copy down from the table above. And secondly, you need to find the direct labor, which you can take from the table also, which is 150,000 times with the rate from the question is $25 per hour, and you'll get the amount. The one is the manufacturing overhead that we counted just now. Just take the 2,235,000 and put it into the manufacturing overhead cost. And total up the three costs, you'll get 6,185,500. So to find a cost per unit, you need to divide it with your unit produced, which is 30,000, and you'll get the total of $206.18 cost per unit. So now we continue with the predetermined overhead application rate, which is POAR. It's the same theme like ABC, step 1. But in POAR, it has a formula which is total overhead over the total direct hour. So we need to add up all the total overhead, which is the material handling, milling and grinding costs, assembly and inspection costs, which will give you this amount, and you need to divide it by this assembly and inspection cost divided by the $10 per hour. And finally, you will get it at $14.20 for the POAR cost. Step 2. In order to find the direct material, just copy down from the table. And for the direct labor, it's the same like ABC, just times with the $25 per rate. For the manufacturing cost, we need to times the direct labor hour with the POAR that we counted just now, which is $14.20, and it will give you 2,130,000. For the total cost, you just need to add up all the costs that you just counted. and then divide it to get cost per unit, and your result is $202.68. So here are the total amount of the cost per unit, which shown in ABC cost and the predetermined overhead application rate. So here are the difference. Although they are the same thing, but they give the different kind of amount. Thank you.